Okay, well, so here we are at the park. But first we went to the wrong park. And now we're at the right park. And we're test one with the drone. There's our steady drone pilot for her inaugural piloting. And there is the drone in question, the DJI Air 3S. So we're turned on and doing something. Maybe. On the ground. So she's just going through the controls. And we have faith that she will be able to master this. So I'm going to shut this off for a second and then get back when she masters it. And now you just use the left one to go up. Just, yeah, you want to have the camera going so that, so there must be a, all right, so now left one only, right?
Home point update.
That's a funny noise. There we go. You're doing great. I'm just paranoid of it. This thing here was expensive-ish. So, wow, that is awesome. You're doing so good. Sweetness. Wow. That is spectacular. In every way that counts. Oh, this is going to so augment everything. Where are you going? Up. Okay, right there. Don't go too far towards the trees. Or are you still just going up?
Just going up.
Okay. I'm going to turn this off here. And then just gentle on the ground, right?
Landing.
Oh. Wow, that was cool.
Sweet.
That is cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's beauty.